Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you how can you solve the issue of League of Legends your fan release not working or not loading. So first of all, what you should do is check Riot servers if they are up and running or not. So to do that, simply open your browser and search for League of Legends server status or Riot server status. You will see this status.riotgames.com. You'll have to open this website, and then from here you'll have to first choose your language, and then you'll have to select the game that you want to see the server of. So in this case it's League of Legends, and then you'll have to select your region and language. So North America, Japan, whatever region that you're playing, simply select and press continue, and below you will see any reports or events that's going on. If you can see a tick, green tick like this, so there are no issues with the server from Riot's end, so it is your problem issue with your end. So after that, what you can do is you can simply check if your internet connection is okay or not, or you can simply, if you're using a router, you can simply unplug it and plug it again, or restart your router. If you're using Ethernet, you can unplug it and plug it again to see if the issue is fixed or not. So after that, what you can do is you can apply for a specific DNS, and to do that, simply open your control panel, and then you'll have to go to network and internet, and then network and sharing center. Here you'll see your internet and internet connection. So I'm using Ethernet, so it's showing Ethernet. If you're using Wi-Fi, it will say Wi-Fi. Press on that and then go to properties. From here you'll have to click on Internet Protocol version 4 and then go to properties, and then you'll have to you'll see options, and in the second option you'll have to take this, use the following DNS server address, and then simply type in 8888 and then in the next line 8844, and then press OK and simply apply, and see if your League of Legends is okay or not. If any of the message doesn't work, as a last resort, what you can do is you can simply uninstall League of Legends from your PC or your device and simply reinstall it again, and hopefully it will be fixed. So that is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.